Welcome. In this session, we are going to discuss how we can navigate through your Excel sheet. Now, when you have data in this Excel, this is the work area, and you need to navigate through this entire sheet here and there, left and right, top to bottom, whichever way and whichever direction. So, let us learn how to do that in a very efficient manner. One of the most easiest and widely used method is to use your mouse, right? So if I want to just navigate from cell 1 to cell 10, I can directly use my mouse. Okay. The other thing that you can do if you wish to navigate left and right, you have a horizontal scroll bar. You can see that you can use this horizontal scroll bar to navigate left and right. Likewise, if you wish to navigate up and down, you can use this vertical scroll bar over here. Fine. So this makes your navigation through the sheet a bit easier. Now, if you have a lot of data and if you have to go down, like you are right now in cell A1, if you wish to go down, you can easily use the page up or page down buttons on your keyboard. Now, let us see if I click on page down, straight away it takes me to cell number 22, right? So it almost skips 21 cells at a time. I hit page down once again, you can see it takes me to 43. Okay. On the contrary, if I want to navigate upwards, the obvious thing would be page up. I hit page up, you can see the same thing happening in a reverse direction. Okay. Now, if I want to navigate the same way across left and right of my page, so in that case, you would be using Alt page up and Alt page down. For instance, let us say if I use Alt page down, it takes me to the right side. Okay. So whenever you wish to navigate to the right side, you can keep hitting Alt page down. On the contrary, on the flip side, if you want to navigate to the left side, you could be using page up, Alt page up. Okay. So this is how it's doing the same thing in the reverse direction. So likewise, if you are working through sheets, you have multiple sheets, like I have sheets like demo 1 and demo 2, and you have to navigate between those sheets. So it's quite easy. Right now I'm on demo 1. You can use control up or control down. Now right now I'm on demo 1. I wish to go to demo 2. I can use control page down. So now I switch to demo 2. Okay. Likewise, if I wish to go back to demo 1, I can use the combination of keys control page up. So this way you can switch between the sheets in a particular Excel sheet. Okay. Now, another way, like you have a lot of data and you can use this zoom, okay, zoom in or zoom out option. Now, if I let us say zoom out, then what happens is a lot of data can be accommodated within the screen. And if you have a formula or if you have some value on a particular cell, you can simply click on that and access that. Okay. So zoom in, zoom out, and you can come back to the normal thing. Okay. Another thing that could be possible is you know that there is a particular cell which has got a certain value or a certain formula which you require. In that case, you can simply use this name box. Okay. Now, for instance, let us say I know that I have some value in the cell AB29 or AB25. Okay. So you can simply use AB25 in the name cell and hit enter, and you would see that you straight away navigate to that particular cell where the value or the address is AB25, right? So these are some ways in which you can navigate through your Excel worksheet. Fine. So if you have liked this video, do like, share, subscribe, spread the good word. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.